Imagine having Blended Woods Park right outside your front door. Our new listing isn't just a condo. It connects you to miles of trails and nature. Now let's take a look inside. Step inside to a bright ranch-style end unit with 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths on the main level. The living room, it flows into the kitchen and dinette space. The primary bedroom is a true retreat with sliding doors that open to the wraparound deck, your private access to peaceful park views. The second bedroom and full bath complete the main level, with the pantry and first floor laundry for convenience. Downstairs, you'll find a finished lower level that's perfect for extra living space, plus an unfinished section with a half-bath rough-in and a storage room giving you options to expand. And here's where you want to spend your time. This wraparound deck, it overlooks Blended Woods Park. It's private, peaceful, and within close proximity to New Albany, Gahanna, and minutes from Westerville and Easton Town Center.